वो अमंग द फॉलोइंग सेट द मैन मटेरियल एंड मेथड, मतलब हमें स्टडी करनी है, दैट इज़ PCMC क्वीन ने ऐसा कहा था। द कॉम्पिटिटिव इम्प्रूव द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ द सर्विस, ये है पब्लिक चॉइस थ्योरी, कंपटीशन से इम्प्रूव होता है सब कुछ, ठीक है। नाउ द कंसिडर द डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ न्यू पब्लिक मैनेजमेंट, तो ये है फोकस ऑन मैनेजमेंट नॉट पॉलिसी, परफॉर्मेंस, कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग आउट और डिवोल्यूशन ऑफ द अथॉरिटी, सारे ही हैं। वाइट ने बोला था इंट्रोडक्शन टू द स्टडी ऑफ पब्लिक, ग्लेडन ने एन इंट्रोडक्शन टू द पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, वॉल्डो ने द स्टडी ऑफ पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, विग ने एलिमेंट ऑफ पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। Cortelia's view of personal administration not correct. He analyzed the detail the issue of the education and training of the lower official. So that was not by the Cortelia. Next, it is the possibly conceived conflict is not necessarily a wasteful outbreak of the incapability but normal process. That is Mary Parker Follett ने creative experiences में ऐसा कहा था. After all, government are constituted of the human being are run human being have as they may job helping controlling. Who said that was Luther Gulick ने ऐसा कहा था. Which is the following statement is not correct regarding Chris Argyris. Task specialization enhance the individual potential for self actualization. Task से क्या होता है, self actualization आता है, so that is not true. Which is the following not a part of extended hierarchy of need as given by the Maslow. The social interest need was not extended hierarchy of the need. Which is following is not the main feature of the Chester Bernard theory. Professional leadership is not the main feature of the Chester Bernard theory. So leadership is not part of that. Which is following deal with the inherent challenge of the motivation. So it is the principal agent theory. Principal agent theory is the inherent challenge for the motivation. Next one is the select the following concept 4P: purpose, process, person and place. Which is following not a criticism of the Gulick. So these principles ignore human element. That is not the criticism, that is the reality. Which is the following are the component of the Blake and Mountain, concern for people and concern for results, both. Theory of the leadership. Now, which is the following essential requirement for successful administration of the field office? So that is headquarters should be able to arrive at the decision appropriate to the situation. That is not true. Yeah, field office of the staff by the trained and the competent. Field is the headquarter offer must be possess adequate knowledge and the existing tenure system should be discontinued. Which is the following not a hierarchy. It is based on the principle of the delegation of the authority and responsibility. That is not true. If number of the subordinate working under the 5, the number of the relationship between span of control according to Graconas, that was 100. Which is the following is not a technique of method of supervision, that was inquiry is not the method. कौन सा method नहीं है, inquiry method नहीं है. Which is the following about the importance of communication not correct. So 19 का आंसर है C, communication introduce flexibility, that is not correct. Which is following about the advantage of centralized system, it is promote the flexibility, that is not. तो centralized है तो flexibility तो कैसे होगी. Next, according to Negro, which one of the following not error in the decision making? Evaluating accordance to the standard, that is not the error. Endoprismatic, that is the internally generated. Exo is the impetus from outside. Ortho is the semi-diffracted and the diffracted congruence of the aspiration and reality. Which of the following is the part of the legislative branch? That was the government accountability office. Which is following incorrect about the cabinet? The appointment of cabinet member is approved by the Senate with the at least 61 votes. Component approach, that was the focus approach for the comparative public administration, not an approach, that was component approach नहीं है. Which is the following stream is option for larger proportion of the each year, that was a journalist fast stream. Consider the Supreme Court of the United Kingdom. Supreme Court is composed of 15 judges, that is not true, but it was created 2009, constitution reform 2005 and formally highest court appeal in the UK. Development administration has been defined and the action oriented, goal oriented, that was Widner. Peter Blau, bureaucratic theory cannot be applied to the administration of the different place, but जोसेफ ला परम्परा ने बोला था कि डेवलपिंग सोसाइटी में फाइंड रशिया और चाइनीज़ मेथड। एंड डी का वन था विलियम डिनलिपी। ठीक है, ये देखेंगे हम फिर से। विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग एज टू द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ट्रेडिशनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड डेवलपमेंट। ट्रेडिशनल इज फ्यूचर ओरिएंटेड एंड डेवलपमेंट इज द स्टेटस क्यो। दैट इज रॉन्ग एक्चुअली इन दैट। And that is wrong. The following few societies characterized with at least specialization of the role, structural differentiation and the correspondence level of the integration essential for the development of the society. So 31 का आंसर बी है, दोनों एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहे हैं। Which is the following is the article of the impeachment of the president, that was 56 and 61. With the following not function of the cabinet secretariat to prepare the citizen charter for every union ministry, that was not the function of cabinet. Legislation enact the law regarding the relation of the motor vehicle, that was executive order. Which is the following was the urban public service commission in the correct, that was UPSC is consult on the selection of the temporary or of officing appointment as part of the period of at least जो भी है, ठीक है, a year. Next day, consider the following statement regarding general discussion on the budget. So that was A, C and D. House is at liberty to discuss the budget as a whole of individual ministry. That is not true. It is subsequent to its presentation and it is a member of the house can ask any question of the principal involved, and the finance ministry has the right to reply on this general discussion. Second, ARC 8th report of the combating terrorism, Ministry of Home Affairs. Which is following not correct, public account committee. So that was a first is the PAC is the only committee which make the financial control. उसके बाद में आएगा the PAC have very limited time to meet. Then है ministry and department are the series of CAG reports होती हैं. Then last में आएगा the PAC is the able to takes up only a few review and the part of CAG report. A performance budget is a technique emphasizes correcting the relationship between input and the output. The reports of the Comptroller Auditor General is taken out into the Public Accounts Committee and the Committee on the Public Undertaking. Pillai, that was the first person to hold this post after this, and Pandey, that was the longest serving cabinet, and Mukherjee, that was the first IAS officer to hold this position. Knowledge is the highest good, truth is a supreme value, that was Whale ने बोला था. Fact is not merely the random observation but also empirically verified statement about the phenomena, that William Hurt and Goodday. Which is the following statement about the principal observation not correct. Emotional participation lead to the objectivity, that was not true. Consider the following, he should become a friendly with respondent, that was not about the interviewers. Which is the following is the research report. Good research means research active concern for the if the most meaningful documents are context finding. Which is the following is the organization under the control of Ministry of Social Justice Empowerment, that was National Commission for the Scheduled Tribes. Which is the following is not correct regarding the National Commission for Backward Class. It has not empowered to look into the grievance of the OBC. The privatization refer to the greater role in the private sector and the ownership of the management transfer to the private sector if required 51% of the stake. So both are true. Which of the following is the non-government organization not correct? Profit making is not in that. The policy making is the political, but many people have the legislation and the multiple agency and the individual interact with the make political decision. The good policy making में क्या होता है? Forward looking, innovative, evidence based and the systematic. Which is the following is the factor not responsible emergence of policy science, that was public demand. Okay. Now what is the following is the social administration as the कुलकर्णी ने बोला था प्रॉब्लम इन द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ द सोशल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. तो यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम क्या है? देयर इज अ रिलेशन बिटवीन द रिसर्च एंड एवेल्यूशन, दैट इज़ नॉट ट्रू. फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी प्रॉब्लम है डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू द नीडी प्रॉब्लम एंड द एस्पिरेशन, एंड program is in the goal. Now next day key, as per the government India's memorandum of 25 August, the funding sharing of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan is 50-50, which is the following not the weakness that undermine public sector performance into the World Bank, that was poor corporate social responsibility. Which of the following is not correct regarding the mixed economy? Mixed economy is allowed freedom to all private property to earn the property, to consume and the produce the distribute and have any occupation. There is need to develop the human resources, and Indian enterprises under the new market conditions require the people with higher competence and skill. Which is the following Magna Carta for local self-government, that was Lord Ripon's resolution of 82. Which is the following is about the concern for local government is not correct. It is no geographical and demographic dimension, that is not local government. The following about the Panchayati Raj is not correct. So Andhra Pradesh was the first that was implemented the Balwant Mehta, that is not true. The which is the following was the membership of Panchayat, not correct. A person has choose the 25 age, that is not true. Which is the following statement was a local body, not correct. The recommendation of the State Finance Commission are binding on the state government, that is not true. Which is the following was the recommend the consider of the Ministry of Panchayati Raj, that श्री मणिशंकर अय्यर कमेटी है, इसके रिकमेंडेशन पर इसको लाया गया. Then which is the following is the examine the problem of finance in the local body. तो local finance इंक्वायरी कमेटी और टैक्सेशन इंक्वायरी, एक्सपेंडिचर और राजा चले हैं, इसको नहीं देखते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास कि द एंटायर सोशो इकोनॉमिकल लाइफ ऑफ द अर्बन पॉपुलेशन डिस्क्लोज इफ द म्युनिसिपल सर्विस ब्रेक डाउन. The local government institution are based on the principle of the subsidiarity. Both are true and not explaining. Urbanization का मतलब क्या होता है? Leveraging urbanization in the South Asia report of the 2015. The ombudsman will be appointed by the central government, so that is not true. It will independent district control and the state government. It will consider the dispose of the complaints, but it ombudsman will be the appointed central government, that is not true. Which is the following true about the NRLM, Ministry of Rural Development launch, that is not NRLM. What is correct regarding the integrated watershed management program? So A, B and D. It was created merging the three existing program, that is not true. अमृत का मतलब होता है rejuvenation. Which is the following दीन दयाल उपाध्याय ग्राम ज्योति योजना. It is the government India scheme. It is scheme replaced Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Vidyut Yojana, aim to supply the unintended power, and the government plans to invest 375,600 crore rupees. So this is all about